Hey, what's up guys? It's Dom from Hole Printing Inc. In today's exciting video, I'm going to be teaching you how to properly maintain your DTF printer. I made some videos like this in the past, so make sure you take a look at all of the different videos I have on my channel regarding maintenance of your DTF printer. My name is Dom, I'm Hole Printing Inc. I've been in the printing industry for years. I've worked with many big corporations and I help you on your printing journey. Now let's get right into today's topic. There's many videos that I've covered previously on the actual step-by-step routine of what to do, how to do it, so do take a look at those videos if you haven't already. In today's video, it's just a quick reminder, some quick basic tips, so let's get straight into it. Number one, the best way to maintain your DTF printer long-term is going to be to print every single day. You heard that correctly. If you're a hobbyist and you're doing this more on the side, you should most definitely not have a DTF printer. These DTF printers, especially the small format ones, need to be used every single day. They need to be used for printing, maintenance, nozzle checks. You need to basically use this printer every day. If not, you're gonna run into problems pretty quickly. Let me give you an example. If you're leaving for, let's say, 3 or more days, you want to make sure you wet cap the capping station. This is going to ensure that when the print head seals on the smaller printer, that the cleaning solution will prevent any clogging. If you want to take it a step further, especially with the smaller printers, you can insert 2 dampers with cleaning solution inside of those dampers, remove the white dampers that are currently sitting inside of your print head, and then put the 2 white dampers with cleaning solution in them, run a few head cleanings, and then you're good to go for a few days. When you come back with the dampers inside of the print head, this is going to flush cleaning solution through the print head, and then from there you can remove the dampers with cleaning solution, put the 2 whites in, make sure you pull your white before you put them back in, and then you can do a head cleaning, nozzle check until all of the cleaning solution is out from your print head, and then you can proceed with production. Doing this quick step is going to save you so many dollars in print heads and clogging issues. It's going to change your world. I personally went through 16 print heads since I've been DTF printing, and that's with the small DTF printers. I never knew how to unclog them. Video on how to unclog your print head here, and I didn't know about this special trick I just showed you guys. I'm going to make an in-depth video on how to properly go on vacation mode with your small DTF format printers very soon, but at least this gives you the gist of the information I'm going to cover in that video. So we covered pretty much the basics. Print every day. If you do need to go on vacation, put it in vacation mode. Make sure you clean your printer. This is a no-brainer, but make sure there's no debris underneath the print head. If you want, you can remove the print head from the printer, clean around it with an alcohol swab, and just make sure that there's no dried up ink, debris, dust, lint, whatever the case may be, grease, stuff that builds up around the capping station, the print head, the dampers. I've made a bunch of videos on how to clean your DTF printer, how to clean your print head, how to clean your dampers, so make sure you guys take a look at that video if you haven't already. So basically, print every day, clean your printer and maintain it properly, and if you do go on vacation, make sure you put some cleaning solution. And if you haven't seen the video on vacation mode that I made, you can go ahead and just ask somebody to come do a few head cleanings every other day. If you do that method, make sure you leave your printer on while you're gone and just ask somebody, like babysitting a cat, right? They come every second day, give the cat water, give the cat food. Same thing goes for your DTF printer. It's going to create a longer lasting print head life. Hopefully you guys found this video somewhat helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Hole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.